1, 2, 3. New day, new bag. Andito tayo sa Marriott Hotel in Clark, Pampanga. And meron tayong event ngayon. We were invited by Honor Family for their grand launching of their newest flagship model na Honor Magic V6. Wow! And sa hindi nakakaalam, sobrang lapit sa akin ng brand na to. Kasi last year, tinap din nila ako for their Honor Magic V5 naman together with Miss Julia Barreto. If napanood niyo yung vlog na yan. Pag hindi pa panoorin nyo. And later, makikita nyo ang first look ng Honor Magic V6. Mag-unbox tayo. Ang balita ko daw, malaking upgrade to from the previous one from the Magic V5. So yan, tara, let's go inside. The event as promised, let's unbox the new Honor Magic V6. Ganda ng packaging. Ang premium ng packaging, grabe. And ang ganda ng black box sila. Sabay nahulog, no? Wow! Ang nipis niya. Grabe for a flip na phone. Ang nipis nito, ha? Tsaka ang lightweight niya. Wow! I got the white one. Meron din silang maroon nakita ko. Ito yung isa niyang screen. Tapos ito yung full screen niya. So for comparison, this is the Honor Magic V5. Lighter siya, tsaka thinner ng konti. Pero tingnan muna natin kung ano yung accessories that comes with it. Meron na siyang free case, tapos meron na rin siyang charger. Complete yung set niya. So hindi mo na kailangan bumili separately. Ako fan talaga ako ng flip na phone Para sa mga busy tao and tamad magdala ng mga malalaking tablet like me, this is very convenient. Para ka nang may tablet and mobile phone in one. So kailangan mo lang i-open, of course. So kapag phone, ito yung function niya. Pag may pe-present ka sa client or meetings, ito. And of course, kapag bumibili tayo ng phones, isa sa tinitingnan natin is yung camera. Balita ko 50 megapixels daw to Siyempre, as business owner and content creator at the same time, dapat lagi tayong content ready and dapat ready lagi yung phones natin. Pero hindi yun nakakagulat Ito, yung feature na to. Yan! Ang galing, diba? Kasi diba normally, kapag gamit yung back camera ng phone, hindi mo na nakikita yung itsura mo dito. Pero ito, kapag magko-content ka, nakikita mo na agad yung sarili mo. At meron pa tong isang feature Balita ko, sobrang tibay daw ng Honor phones. Actually, kaya nga ako buhatin ito Ayaw niyo maniwala? Panoorin niyo to. Hi, I wanna try. So this is the Honor Magic V6. Oh, a different color.
Yeah.
This is white because I've seen the maroon one. I believe the phone can carry my weight, right?
Yeah.
Right. By the way, I'm weighing 55 kilograms. That's an easy, right? Let's try. Babe, wala nang dito, arte-arte. Katakot I'll just hold this one and then, wait lang. My gosh. 1, 2, 3. Ayoko na. Grabe. Galing. I'm impressed.